Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to change hyperlink text color in Microsoft Word. Now let's get started.
If you've ever tried changing hyperlink text color in Microsoft Word, you've probably noticed this problem. Hyperlinks always default to blue, and once you click them, they turn purple. Even if you manually change the color, Word overrides it again. This makes documents look messy and inconsistent. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this permanently. So first, open your document and make sure you're on the Home tab. In the ribbon, look for the Style section. Now click on that small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Styles pane. Alright, once that opens, scroll down until you find Hyperlink. Click the little drop down arrow next to it and select Modify. Now you'll see a formatting window. Go ahead and choose the text color you want. You can also change the font, the size, or even make it bold. If that fits your document style, at the bottom you'll see an option to apply this change to just this document or to all new documents based on this template. Choose what works best for you, then click OK. And just like that, all your unclicked hyperlinks will now use your custom color. But we are not done yet. We still need to fix the links that have already been clicked, the ones that turn purple. So let's take care of that. Open the Styles pane again, and this time click Options at the bottom. Under Select Styles to show, choose All Styles, then click OK. Now the list gets a lot longer. Scroll down and look for Followed Hyperlink. Click the drop down and choose Modify. Now just like before, set the color and formatting you want and click OK. Now both your regular links and your clicked links will stay consistent, clean, and exactly how you designed them. And that's the proper way to change hyperlink text color in Microsoft Word without it resetting.